Hi everyone, it's me Saji from Saji Cool YouTube channel. It's been more than over a week I have been hearing a word nepotism and terms related to it like cronyism. During this lockdown period, I just went through many articles on net related to it. Over a period of time, I realized I can speak to my friends about it, sharing my own experiences. I'm pretty sure that at some point of time, we all would have come across such situation in life which we wouldn't have expressed or shared with anyone. Hence, today I'm here to speak about it. What is nepotism? Nepotism is based on favoritism granted to relatives in various fields, including business, politics, entertainment, sports, religion, and other activities. The term originated with the assignment of nephews to important positions by Catholic popes and bishops. Nepotism has been criticized since the ancient times by several philosophers, including Aristotle, Valluvar, and Confucius. For instance, the ancient Indian philosopher Valluvar condemned nepotism as both evil and unwise. Nepotism and cronyism. Nepotism refers to partiality to family, whereas cronyism refers to partiality to an associate or friend. Favoritism, the broadest of the terms, refers to partiality based upon being part of a favored group rather than job performance. Effect of nepotism. When nepotism has a negative effect on a workplace, employee morale decreases, which affect how smoothly the company operates and whether employees are productive. Employees may feel unappreciated, and as a result, they may lose their motivation to achieve their goals and accomplish their day-to-day tasks. Causes of nepotism. The most simple cause is that people tend to stick with people they know as they have a better insight on what they can expect. Another reason is that in the past, states and kings were nothing more than protection rackets. Drawbacks of nepotism. Unethical advantage of position, conflict, family issue, reduced performance, shutdown of business, inequality, few people in power, no individual freedom. How to avoid nepotism? Employment should be based on work related reasons. Don't hire relatives until they have proved themselves. Don't break the rules regarding any job for relatives. Anti-nepotism policies. Before conclusion, I would like to share my real life experience. I have also come across many situations where I have lost the chance of promotion or a permanent position due to nepotism or cronyism in different situations. I have fell down many times in life and lost interest in moving forward, but I just stood up again and again in my life only because of a close friend of mine who always used to say that I should always listen to my heart and keep moving. I should never give up due to such silly things which I come across in my life. My friend has been a great support and a backbone for the comeback in my life. I have not reached my destiny still, but to move on the way to reach my destiny matters a lot. My friend's guidance, support, and motivation meant a lot to me. Sometimes it had been cool and soft, and sometimes it had been hard, but still, only my friend's words kept me moving next to the blessing of my Almighty. All these incidents end up in psychological issues. My sincere opinion is kindly share your mental stress and feelings to your loved ones, whom you trust blindly. They will surely comfort you and support you to come out of it before the situation become worsen, dragging you to end up your life. Hence, I conclude saying that nepotism or cronyism acts as a double-edged sword. If not handled properly, can damage severely. And that's it for today. It's me Saji signing off from Saji Cool YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and press the notification icon. Do not forget to like and share my videos. Also, kindly post your feedback in the comment section. Stay positive always. Take care. Bye. Love you all.